Good morning students, Standard 12 Commerce. So in this video we are going to discuss Unit 4 Human Resource Management, Chapter 10 Recruitment Methods. Okay, so important topic. So let's see the meaning of recruitment. What do you mean by recruitment? So recruitment is the process of finding suitable candidates. Okay, so the process of finding the suitable candidates for the various posts in an organization. Okay, so it is a process of attracting potential people, okay, effective people to apply for a job in an organization. So once again, what is meant by recruitment? Recruitment is the process of finding suitable candidates, okay, correct person, okay, suitable candidates for the various posts in an organization. So it is the process of attracting potential people, effective people to apply for a job in an organization. So first point, it acts as a recruitment acts as a link between a job provider and a job seeker. Okay, recruitment as a link between job provider and a job seeker. So it encourages the prospective employees to apply for the job. Then recruitment encourages the prospective employees to apply for the job. Then the organization scrutinizes the application. Okay, analyze the application, the received and the suitable candidates for or shortlist for the selection. Shortlisted for the selection. So then the organization scrutinize the applications, received and the suitable candidates or shortlisted for the selection. That is called the recruitment. Next we are going to see, let us see the definition. According to Edwin B. Filippo, it is a process of searching for prospective employee, okay, searching for prospective employee and then stimulating and encouraging them to apply for jobs in an organization. So according to Edwin B. Filippo defines, it is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating and encouraging them to apply for jobs in an organization. So next we are going to see reasons behind recruitment. So why we have to recruit the person? Okay, there are different reasons why vacancies arises and there. So first point, retirement of an employee. Second point, death of an employee. Third one, resignation of job of an employee. Then disablement of an employee. Then dismissal of an employee. So there are the reasons for recruitment. Okay, so first point, retirement of an employee. What is meant by retirement of employee? So if any person is getting retirement, if any person is getting a retirement for his place, so we have to find out a new person for that place. That is called a retirement of an employee. Once again, what is meant by retirement of employee? That means if any person is getting retirement. So for his place we have to find a new person. Okay, that is called a retirement of an employee. Second point, death of an employee. So what do you mean by death of an employee? So if any case of any of the employee suddenly death, his place has to fill up. Okay, so the human resource management will go to find out the new person. Okay, so death of an employee means if any of the employee suddenly death, his place have to fill up. So the human resource management will go to find a new person. So third one, resignation of job by an employee. Resignation of job by an employee. That means any person resign his post. So we have to find a new person for the job. That is called the resignation of job by the employee. Then fourth one, disablement of an employee. What do you mean by disablement? That means unfit. So unfit to be in the organization. The person is unfit to be the organization. The managing director or a director, if any person dismiss of the person in order to fill up the vacancy, that is called the disablement of an employee. Next point, dismissed of an employee. So fourth point, disablement of an employee, that means unfit of the organization. Any person is unfit of the organization, it is called a disablement of an employee. What is meant by dismissal of an employee? That is the manager or director, if any person dismiss of in order to fill the vacancy, that is called a dismissal of an employee. So these are the reasons behind in the recruitment. So retirement of an employee, death of an employee, resignation of the job by employee, and disablement of an employee, and dismissal of an employee. Next we are going to see recruitment process. What are the steps are followed in the recruitment process? First step, planning recruitment. Planning recruitment. Second one, determining the vacancies. Third one, identifying the sources. Fourth one, crafting information for advertisement. Fifth one, selecting the suitable mode of advertising. Sixth one, facilitating the selection process. Seventh point, evaluation and control. So what is meant by planning recruitment? What is meant by planning recruitment? That means how to conduct the recruitment. Okay, that means how to conduct the recruitment process. So we have to plan first of all. So planning recruitment means how to conduct the recruitment process. So we have to plan first of all. Okay, without planning we cannot do anything. Okay, so second point, determining the vacancies. Determining the vacancies, that means we have to calculate the number of vacancies. We have to calculate the number of vacancies. Then third point, identify the sources. What is meant by identify the sources? That means identify from which sources we call the person for interview. Which source we call from the person to interview. Okay, that is called the identify the sources. Then fourth point, drafting information for advertisement. Drafting information for advertisement. That means we have to draft the advertisement from first give the advertise different multimedia. Okay, so selecting, facilitating, okay. So drafting information for advertisement means we have to draft the advertisement from give attractive advertisement different multimedia. That is called a drafting information for advertisement. Next one, selecting the suitable mode of advertisement. Selecting the suitable mode of advertisement. Next point, facilitating the selection process. Facilitating the selection process. Next one, evaluation and control. These are the recruitment process in recruitment method. Okay, these are the following steps are followed in the recruitment process. Okay. Next we just recall again. So in this topic we see recruitment. So what is meant by recruitment? Recruitment is the process of finding a suitable candidates for a various post in an organization. That is called a recruitment. So in any organization it need a human labor for function. Okay, that is called a recruitment. So recruitment is the process of attractive and potential effective people to apply for a job organization. That is called a recruitment. So next step, what are the reasons behind in the recruitment? So why we have to recruit the person? So there are the different reasons why vacancies arises, and they are. So first point, retirement of an employee. So what is the retirement of an employee? So if any person is getting retirement for his place, we have to find a new person. That is called a retirement of an employee. Then second step, death of an employee. What do you mean by death of an employee? That means if any of the employees suddenly death of his place has to fill up the place. So the HR will go to the find a new person. Okay. Third step, resignation of a job by the employee. So resignation means any person resign his post, we have to find a new person for the job. That is called a resignation for job. Then next one, disablement of an employee. Disablement of employee means unfit to be the organization. So the employee is unfit to be the organization. That is called a disablement of an employee. Next one, fifth point, dismissal of an employee. What is meant by dismissal of an employee? That means if manager or director, any person dismiss in order to fill in the vacancy, that is called the dismissal from the employee. So these are the different reasons or reasons in the begin in the recruitment. Next step, recruitment process. What do you mean by recruitment process? The following steps are followed. First step, planning recruitment, determining vacancies, identifying the sources, drafting information for advertisement, selecting the suitable mode for advertisement, facilitating the selection process, and the evaluation and control. So what do you mean by planning and the recruitment? That means planning how to conduct the recruitment process. So we have to plan first of all. So we have to plan first of all. Without planning we cannot do anything. So second one, determining the vacancies. What do you mean by determining vacancies? We have to calculate the number of vacancies. Then identifying the sources. Identify the sources. Identify from which sources we call the person for interview. Then drafting information for advertisement. So we have to draft the advertisement. First give the advertisement, then different multimedia. Then selecting the suitable mode of an advertisement. Okay, selecting the suitable mode means advertisement. That means the multimedia, newspapers like that. Then sixth one, facilitating the selection process, and seventh one, evaluation and control.